What's going on, everybody out there? All the cat lovers. This is what I printed up for you today. Ooh, let's see. Came off good. Let's see if she'll stand. Ah, and she does. This thing came out good. Comment down below, what do you guys think? The flexi cat. Just like Flexi Rexi. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, smash that like button, and hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any future content. Appreciate it. Keep checking out the channel so you can see the time lapse.